Hi, this is the HOTWAV Pad 8 and I'll show you how to customize AD option on this device. So first open the Muviz application and here in AD section select one from the available tabs. Click here to apply and we could switch here the backgrounds. You could just add them if you don't use them before. Click to apply here. We could hide music controls. We could just hide them after 10 seconds or just don't hide them. We could show notifications and the calendar, the date just with a click on the switchers, and also we could show the battery status like always while you are charging or just don't show it. Let's go back, switch AD to the settings and tap to always on display. Here you'll see show on screen lock AD option like always while they were charging or music. We could decrease or increase the brightness level, to change AD timeout, to switch allow power after timeout, to change the screen orientation, to close it just by double or single tap on the lock screen, to close it on screen off, to set the shadow, the start, the end time, and to use burn-in protection and pocket modes. And also we could disable this option during the calls. So that's it. That's how to customize AD option on our HOTWAV Pad 8. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.